You're watching TimesXP and I'm Dhriti Atri. Recently, Walmart Canada made a huge announcement at its Golden Quarter conference. They are investing an extra $92 million in pay raises for their hardworking associates in supply chain, frontline management, and retail. Now, this is part of Walmart's continued journey to support their workers and ensure long-term success for the company. But this isn't the very first time when Walmart Canada has stepped up. Earlier this year, they already invested $53 million to boost wages for store employees. And it's very clear that they are dedicated to making Walmart a great place to work. Mary Merker, Walmart Canada's Chief People Officer, explained that their goal is to be people-first tech-powered retailer. She proudly mentioned how Walmart offers some of its best wages and benefits to the Canadian market. By investing in people, Walmart is ensuring that they attract and keep top people in their company. On the other hand, the Chief Expansion Officer highlighted how crucial their associates are to maintaining Walmart Canada's impressive supply chain. He said that this investment will help team modernize and thrive by training them with cutting-edge technologies. This isn't just about wages though. Walmart Canada is providing a total package that includes annual bonuses, amazing healthcare benefits, mental health support, and even a discount card for groceries and merchandise. They're also investing in their workers' future by covering 100% of tuition costs through their Live Better U program. Over 3,000 associates have already taken advantage of this opportunity to learn new skills and prepare for future jobs. Now, Walmart's focus is on taking care of their employees, which is nothing new. They are one of Canada's biggest employer with over 1 lakh associates working in more than 400 stores across the country. And their online store, walmart.ca, serves over 1.5 million customers every single day. But Walmart's journey isn't just about improving employee benefits. In recent years, they have faced challenges such as increasing competition from other retail giants and e-commerce platforms. These investments in their workforce and technology aims to stay ahead in the game. Now, Walmart Canada's commitment to its workers is part of a larger transformation. They are consistently evolving not just to stay competitive, but to build a supportive, growing focused workplace. For higher wages to educational opportunities, Walmart Canada is setting itself up to remain the leading retailer in the country for years to come. For more such videos, do follow TimesXP.